How we tracked man behind claim that Fashola wrote PEPC judgment. Police speaks. This is why I'm saying you should be careful. You should be careful of whatever you say this period. There is now a punishable offense for saying what you're not sure of, for defamation of character and other things. Be extremely careful of what you say because gradually, Nigerians are really waking up to their laws. See this in detail, please. Testifying before court on Monday, a police investigator, Inspector Ikemba Cyprian, said his team was able to track Victor through his phone number by deploying technology. Police investigators have revealed how they were able to track the man behind an online publication that accused the ex-Works and Housing Minister Babatunde Fashola of writing the judgment of the Presidential Election Petition Court (PEPC). The investigators spoke when they appeared by a federal high court in Abuja on Monday, April 15th. Ibezim Chike Victor, who is alleged to be one of the 3 individuals linked to the publication, made an online platform. Report Terror is being tried on a 6-count charge marked FHC ABJ CR 434 2023 brought against him by the Inspector General of Police IGP. Victor is charged with criminal conspiracy, cyber stalking, and defamation, among others. Testifying before court on Monday, a police investigator, Inspector Ikemba Cyprian, said his team was able to track Victor through his phone number by deploying technology. Lead in evidence by prosecuting lawyer E.O. Ochai, Cyprian said the defendant's phone number 0814-643-5568 was provided by Fashola in 2 petitions dated August 7 and 8, 2023, which are addressed to the IGP. The witness said a nominal complainant, Fashola, stated in the petition that the publication was to the effect that his premises were surrounded by soldiers because he was writing judgment for the PEPC that was hearing petitions challenging the last presidential election. He said immediately the petitions were assigned to his team, Fashola was invited and volunteered a statement. We analyzed the phone number on the petition and found that it belonged to the defendant, the witness said. He added that upon realizing that the number belonged to the defendant, Victor was invited, and when he subsequently responded to the invitation, he volunteered a statement. The witness added that in his statement dated August 10, 2023, the defendant admitted that he bought the MTN SIM card and registered it. Cyprian said the defendant told investigators that he had given the phone containing the SIM card to one of his friends called Tope, who is still at large. Ochai applied to tender the defendant's statement, but Victor's lawyer, Kana Yokaf, objected on the grounds that sections 6.2d, 17.2, and 15.4 of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act (ACJA) were not complied with. In a ruling, Justice Balaji Olajuwon overruled Okafor and admitted that statement on grounds of relevance. The witness added that when his team contacted the Court of Appeal authorities of the court, said the judgment of the PEPC were written by justices on the panel and not an outsider. He said his team also contacted the Nigerian Army headquarters and was told that no soldier was deployed to Fashola's premises as claimed in the offending publication. At the completion of the investigation, we found that the defendant made the publication to smear the high-end reputation of a nominal complainant. We also found out that there was no siege on the nominal complainant's house by the army, he said. The witness added that the investigation also revealed that the nominal complainant did not write the judgment as claimed in the defamatory statement. He added that the investigation revealed that the defendant and other of his collaborators used the same office and shared the same phone number. We found that publication was such that could lead to the breakdown of law and order, the witness said. At the completion of Cyprian's testimony, Okafor prayed to the court for an adjournment to enable him to return on a later date to cross-examine the witness. Although Ochai objected to the defense lawyer application for adjournment, Justice Olajuwon adjourned till April 19 for cross-examination. I say again, be wary of what you write. It is no longer the era of anything goes. It is no longer the era of I have freedom of speech and you open your mouth anyhow and spew things that you're not sure of. Make sure before you come outside to make a statement that you're actually very sure of what you're saying. Except what you're saying is you're giving your own opinion. You understand? This is what I feel. Oh, I'm not saying this is what happened, but this is what I feel. Make sure you state it that this is what you feel. This is your opinion. You understand? And not what happened. For those who are used to, you come outside and say na lie, see wetin happen, na lie, then they lie. You come outside, can't talk, can't twist wetin person talk, or can't challenge wetin person talk without no evidence or proof in the name of na cruise or I wan go viral. You go viral and you go jail. You go viral and you go waiting. You go jail. That's what na true talk. You see what we are talking about? Just go and trace them all. You will know the people behind all the fake news. This is the same set of people agitating for military takeover. Like I said before, even if military takes over, they will be the most hit. Because someone like this Victor doesn't need to go to court before he is wasted. The other one that was caught, who said Aisha Buhari stole all Nigeria's money, was also from that region. That is why I supported social media to be regulated in such a way that people will be accountable for whatever they put out for public consumption. No one is saying people shouldn't express themselves, but they must be ready to face the consequences if it is applied. No, the person that said Aisha Buhari has eaten all poor people's money and is now fat, I think I remember that statement, was a northerner. But they deal with this guy. If you see this guy, when this guy come outside from prison, when they release him, hey, you're going to say they don't really deal with this guy. So be very careful. Make sure you're having all the evidences. Nobody is saying you should not come outside and say the truth, but make sure you have evidences to back up your claim. Unfortunately, they cannot track kidnappers. That is one big thing here. You understand? Now be another thing for here, where they be like saying a setup with this. If they're able to track down people like this, they should be able to track down bandits and kidnappers. Can't you see how they confirm tracking the fake news man, but they refuse to track down terrorists, kidnappers, and bandits? Is the fake news not a terrorist? He's a cyber terrorist and has been tracked and arrested by the police. So why blaming the police for doing their job? Well? Those other terrorists will be tracked down. Since you're interested in them, go and ask Fashola'S how he was able to mobilize the security agents so that you can likewise and get the terrorists of your own interest arrested. As in Nigeria, you have the right to arrest a criminal. Well, I don't think you understand what he's saying. These people are not terrorists. You cannot come and say because somebody came outside and said something that is not show off, you call the person a terrorist. You're no good. It is also defamation of character, and the person can take it up with you. You think saying only if you come outside, can't call person terrorist. You no give reason, you no give evidence, just call person terrorist. Then if it takes you for him, okay? You should be jailed for at least 15 years to serve as a titulus use kind. No, 15 years is too much, most especially if it's the first time offender. They should take all these things easy. They should take it easy as a business they start them. But I'm not saying they should not do that, but they should take it easy in such a way that people will learn their lesson. Alright, on this note, we have come to the end of the news. We say thank you for tuning in to listen until I come your way next time. Enjoy the rest of your day.